Hi everyone, Radhe Radhe. In this video, we're going to be doing chapter 18, verse 21. And here he's talking about the mode of passion. So let's call out to Bhagavan Shri Krishna. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Dear Bhagavan Shri Krishna, please help us understand these concept of mode of passion. It's you've explained it pretty clearly, but please help us really understand it in a Vigyan way so that we can come closer to you. Okay, let's sing the verse together. पृथग्वेन तु यज्ञानं नानाभावान् पृथग्विधान् वेत्ति सर्वेषु भूतेषु तज्ज्ञानं विद्धि राजसम्. That knowledge by which one sees that in every different body there is a different kinds of living entity, you should understand to be in the mode of passion. So basically the normal way in which most people live, where we think that everybody is different, bodies differ from one another because of different kinds of consciousness, but otherwise there's no separate soul. So the body itself is the soul, basically, where we say, right, this soul, in English people will say, oh, she's such a nice soul, she's such a good pure soul, or something like that, but they don't mean that there is a soul. They mean that it's a person, like a body, basically. So consciousness is temporary, there's no individual souls, but that kind of thing, that is considered to be mode of passion. And what he writes here, which I really love, that knowledge is said to be mode of passion, where world is not seen in its connection with God, basically, atheistic, agnostic kind of living. Thus, living beings are perceived in their plurality with distinction of race, class, creed, all of that. Such knowledge divides the human society. When knowledge unites, it is in mode of goodness. When knowledge divides, it is in mode of passion. How beautifully he has written that. It's so good. Okay. Wish you a beautiful day filled with lots of spiritual growth. Radhe Radhe.